Oh my God, this is so hot. Wow. I'm excited about this review. It's the Orastone Rechargeable Hand Warmer by Care products. And it even has an LED light. Why am I excited about this? My wife really wanted to get a hand warmer. She is always complaining that her hands are freezing in the winter. And I didn't even know they existed. I know Zippo has hand warmers, but you have to fill them up with fuel. So I looked on Amazon and this came up. And I saw this is kind of cool. It's a rechargeable hand warmer. And I think, why not give it a try? So based on the reviews, this is the Orastone Rechargeable Hand Warmer with LED light. Based on the reviews, it has about 1,140 reviews at the time of them making this video, 4.5 star rating, and it cost about $24 on Amazon. Now, they have some really cool colors, rainbow colors. They even have one with like a knitted sweater pattern. This was the only one in stock. I ended up just buying this one. I know the other ones would have been cooler, like the knitted sweater. Come on, that's really cool. It looks and feels like a sweater. So let's see what we got here. Okay, this is the initial review and unboxing. So it says here, keeps your hands warm for 3 to 5 hours. LED light function. Let's see here. It has a surface temperature about 42 degrees Celsius. That's pretty cool. Warming time, 3 to 5 hours. Charging time, about 3 hours. So those are the most important things. And the light lasts for about 14 hours according to this. So anyway, I thought that's kind of cool. Let's check this out. Let's see what this is. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what comes with it. All right. Oh, okay. Charging cable. This is a micro USB cable. I think this is a micro USB charging port. There we go. This is the hand warmer. Look at that. Comes a little rubber handle. That's definitely useful. Now, it comes charged, but we are going to charge it and take a look at it and come back to it and see how it works. Let's see from what I understand, it comes charged. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it does come charged. That's really all that's in the box. And then we have the instructions here. Now, let's take a look at the instructions. Let's put this down for a second. Okay. Now, this is important because if you don't read the instructions, you can die. Just kidding. All right. We talked about the 3 to 5 hours warming time keeps it about warm. Okay, let's see what it says here. Charging the unit for 3 hours before first use is recommended. When the red charging LED indicator turns green, it means the charge is finished. Okay, so when you plug it in, it's going to be red, and then it's going to turn green when it fully charges. Very important. Always place it on a flat place when charging. Okay, why? I don't know. It will not operate when charging, so you cannot plug it in and warm up your hands. Very important to know. Do not charge a unit over the recommended period. This is interesting. Usually, my phone, I could plug it in and charge it and keep it plugged in all night. This is not recommended. It will shorten the lifespan of the battery. Chargeable battery can be charged for approximately 300 times. So my wife said to me, wait a second, 300 times? That means that she needs a new one every year. I said, no, you're not using it every single day of the year. You're not using it for 3 to 5 hours a day. You only need it when you need it. Okay, so let's see how to operate this thing. Yeah, we press there's only one button on here, which is good. Press the button, light turns on. Press the button, light turns off. Long press the power switch, the LED light will turn green. Okay, so let's put a long press. Oh, there you go. See that? LED light turns green. Cool. Okay, let's just turn this off now. We don't want to charge it. Oh, long press to turn it off. Okay. Stop using the warmer if arrhythmia, itch, or Blaine is detected. Blaine? Anyway, okay, so that's pretty much it. Nothing else here. There's a little bit of warning. So now we know that, now we know the instructions. So just to clarify, you're going to charge this thing for about 3 hours before you first use it. When you charge it, the light will go from red to green over here by the LED light that we saw. Okay, now what else is important? Comes with the charging cable. Now, I don't know why they did a micro USB. I think USB-C is now more common because you'll find USB-C with cell phones, Android, and you'll find it with a lot of Apple products as well. So it's more convenient. This is being phased out. Not many people are using USB-C. All right, so let's charge this thing and see how it works. We are back, and we have charged this 3 hours. Let's take a look. Now, what we're going to do is something cool here. We have a thermometer. We have a Braun thermometer. This is an older thermometer. We had it for about 20 years already. It's one of those old ones that stick in your ear. Same battery. Braun thermometer, same battery for about 20 years since our daughter was a baby. Now she's 20. And it still works. Actually, I think I changed the battery. I did change the battery once, but it's amazing that this thing still works. So let's see if this will work. We're doing Celsius. I know a lot of people are Fahrenheit. The product came in Celsius, so we're going to stick with Celsius for now. I feel bad. I'll post the temperature below what 42 degrees is in Fahrenheit, but it's definitely more than 90 because I know 35 Celsius is about 90 Fahrenheit, so 42 is about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's check this out. We're going to see how long it takes. We're going to take a look at the thermometer, and we're going to press the button. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to see the temperature as we do this. So here we go. Pressing and holding it. Okay, I want to do it right away. Wait till it gets a little bit warm. We can see the timer and see how long it takes. Oops. Here we go. So it says low, the low reading. Okay. Well, that's not going to work. Still low. Okay, warming up. 34.7. This is so cool. How long has it been? Like 10 seconds so far? Okay, next. 36.7. See that? This is pretty cool. 38.3. Okay, so far it's been around, what, 30 seconds? I don't have a timer. I should have brought a stopwatch. But like, seriously, you're going to sit there and time it? Okay, it's definitely warm. I feel the warmth. Okay. 39.8. This is so cool. Okay, I know, but like a little kid here. 39.8. Ooh, high. Okay, it says high on the thermometer, not high like hello, like the temperature's too high for reading. All right, so let's move it back a little bit. Now we're going to move it back because it's like a thermoscan. Still too high. I'm trying to raise it up. 41.2. What does it say here? What's the temperature? 42 degrees Celsius. That is so cool. Oh my God, this is so hot. Wow. This is so cool. Okay, but let's try this. Let's see. 41.3. I'm trying to get closer to get a better reading. It's too high. It can't do it. Wow, so basically if your body temperature is 42, you're dead. There we go. 41.6. I can't get any closer. We're going to keep trying here. 40. Okay, so it has to do with the angle also. 39.7. Okay, did the light up? Now it's doing this flashing thing. Okay, so when it does this flashing thing, I think it means that it's reached maximum. So you'll know when it reaches maximum heat when it starts flashing. So I don't know how close we can get to this thing. Yeah, the reading is too high. It's too hot. 42.2. Where is it there? 42.2. That is so cool. Okay, it's 42 degrees right now. This thing is hot. I actually read on the reviews, some of the 5-star reviews were talking about Raynaud's disease. Raynaud's, it's spelled R-A-Y-N-A-U-D-S. So it's not Raynaud's. It's Raynaud's. It's French. This is a great product because it helps re-warm up your fingers. So if you have Raynaud's disease or Raynaud's syndrome or whatever you call it, definitely a great product. I'm feeling it now. It's definitely warm. This is so cool. This is so cool. Anyway, this is so cool, so awesome. As far as how long it really lasts, if it's really good, this is not a long-term review. It's just an overview of the product. It's initial review. I have a link in the description below for this where you can get this product on Amazon. I think it's so cool. I think it's a really, really clever birthday gift, Christmas gift, Hanukkah gift, whatever type of gift you're going to make, buy, whatever. It's a great gift. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and click on the link in the description below if you want to get this product. It's so cool. The Orastone by Care. Now go out there, get this product, and warm up those cold fingers of a loved one or for yourself. Thank you for watching. Wow, this is so cool. Ooh, that's pretty bright. Look at that. Nice. Still. Have a great day.